Hello, my friends. I just wanted to start doing video recording because we've been having a hard time finding a time to meet on Zoom. So we're gonna start with just a little 15-20 minute move your body. I like to do this when I start my day. Just starting to relax, starting to release, starting to get out of your mind and into your body. Gently moving, coming onto your mat. It's always good if you do this outside to completely ground down, touching the dirt, getting that fresh air. I have my windows open here. So let's begin by finding a stance on our left foot and lift that right foot up and gently start taking nice ankle circles with that right ankle. And you can also go into those wrists, and we go clockwise and counterclockwise. Just starting to warm up these joints. But this is an active pose as we're balancing on that left leg, engaging that left glute. Let's exhale all that stale air out. And take a big first intentional breath. Filling up and exhaling. Let's go into the knee, taking big pendulum swings. Getting into these elbows, some bigger motions in our arms. Making it feel good. Taking deep breaths. Let's take an inhale. Filling up and exhale, release. Let's get into the hip. Keeping that balance on the left leg. We move this right hip all the way out and all the way back. Using that quadricep to move forward and that right glute to move it back. Maybe you want to keep moving those arms. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. 2 more just like that. Inhale up. Exhale back. If you find you lose your balance, just come right back. Let's take 1 more big inhale. And exhale. And gently find yourself back on both feet. Let's take an inhale all the way up. And exhale all the way down. Settling into our other side, take your right foot, find a nice foundation, and inhale that left leg up. And just as we did before, let's get into this left ankle. Big circles clockwise and counterclockwise. Maybe moving into these arms on the second side. Making it feel good for you. And coming into that knee. Making sure you're staying active on that right leg and that right glute. Standing up tall. Let's take a deep inhale. Deep exhale. 1 more just like that. Inhale. Exhale. Let's get into the hip. Inhaling the leg forward and exhaling the leg back. Getting into this quadricep and the left glute. Inhale. Exhale. Taking these as big or as small as you want. Keeping yourself active, keeping that balance on the right foot. Maybe you want to take a gaze at something to keep that balance. Couple more here. Inhale. Exhale, kick it back. Inhale. Exhale, kick it back. 1 more time. Inhale. gently release, making it feel good. Let's inhale all the way up, filling up, lengthening that spine. Take a deep breath in, exhale out. So we got into our legs, let's get into our hips. Little hip dips here. Finding this in the glutes, finding this in the side a little bit into your obliques. Getting low as you dip. You can really kick the booty back, lengthening that spine. Couple more just like this. And from here, let's take the arms up, dip, reach, dip, reach. So we're getting more into those obliques with this twisting motion. Dip, reach for the side of the room, reach for the side of the room. Getting low as you dip. Taking these deep breaths. Reach tall, lengthen, lengthen. Reach tall, lengthen, lengthen. Couple more just like that. Take a deep breath in and exhale. And then we come into gentle twists. Completely relaxing your shoulders and your arms. Allow your arms to swing. Maybe you want to gently move on your feet. They do this motion a lot in Tai Chi. It relaxes the arms as well as awakening the part of your body that your arms are gently hitting. Maybe you want to close your eyes. If thoughts come into your mind, just allow them to gently pass through, tuning back into your body with a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. One more breath. Inhale, exhale, gentle. Inhale, arms all the way up. Let's extend all the way out. We have all 10 toes on the mat. Gently engage your kneecaps, causing your quadriceps to engage. Gently tuck your tailbone forward. Lengthen that spine, tall, tall, tall. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Nice long neck. Take a deep inhale, reaching tall to the sky. Exhale, release. One more time, just like that. Inhale all the way up, finding that length. Take a deep inhale at the top. Exhale, release. Inhale, hands to heart center. Gently putting pressure on each hand. And we inhale those shoulders up. Exhale, shoulders back and down. We have so much tension in our neck and shoulders, so let's really tune in here. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, shoulders back and down. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, shoulders back and down. Inhale, shoulders up all the way to your ears. Exhale, shoulders back and down. Couple more just like that. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, shoulders back and down. One more just like that. Inhale all the way up with those shoulders. Exhale, shoulders back and down. Trying to keep the shoulders right there. Inhale, hands up. Reaching for the sky, lengthen, lengthen. Exhale, goal post your arms. We have our elbows right in line with our shoulders. Really shine your shoulders forward, shine that beautiful heart to the front of the room, really opening up the chest here. Take a big inhale and gently look to your right side, getting into that neck. Allow yourself the time to tune in. We have so much tension in our neck. So I find that when you're in goalpost position, you're very open to get deep into the neck. And you look the other way. Maybe you take some nice neck circles, clockwise and counterclockwise. Keeping in mind to keep a gentle, closed bite so you get into the front part of your neck. And you can pause, getting into this front part of your neck. Deep inhale, deep exhale. To the other side, deep inhale, deep exhale. Deep inhale, deep exhale. You can take lots of time here. Whatever your body feels, but keeping in mind that nice goalpost position keeps you shining and open to the front of the room, and it really allows you to stretch the neck a lot. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Inhale our hands back up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, goalpost those arms once more. And then we can stretch the side of our neck here. Getting into the right side. Getting into the left side. Maybe you want to take neck circles once more. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Gently tuck the neck towards your chest, tucking that chin in towards your chest, gently releasing the back side of your neck. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Couple more just like that. Inhale, exhale. One more just like that. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, reach all the way up. Taking your left hand around your right wrist, take an inhale to prepare. Exhale, stretching it to the left side, getting into that right side body. Take a big inhale, big exhale. Couple more just like that. Inhale, exhale, fold a little bit deeper. One more just like that. Inhale, keeping that right shoulder back. Exhale. Inhale, meeting me back at center. Switching out those hands, take an inhale to prepare. And we exhale, going towards our right side, getting into this left side body. Make sure that left shoulder stays back and down, away from that left ear. Take a big inhale. Getting deep into that left side body. Exhale. One more just like that. Inhale. Pull deeper, exhale. Inhale, meet me back at center. Exhale, goalpost your arms once more. How does your neck feel? What last movements do you need to do here? Keeping in mind that gentle bite of your jaw to get into the front part of your neck. Take a big inhale. Big exhale. One more to the other side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale last time all the way up reaching tall. Exhale, forward fold, bending through those hips, trying to touch the floor. And gently march out your knees, march out your legs, getting deep into the calves, getting deep into the quads and your glutes. Take a deep inhale. Fold a little bit deeper into that fold. Exhale. Keeping marching, making it feel good for your legs. We inhale, flat back, halfway length, making an L shape out of our body. Take an inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, one vertebrae at a time. Starting with the lumbar vertebrae, and then the thoracic vertebrae in the center, and then your cervical vertebrae in your neck. And lastly, we bring our head and crown to the sky. We inhale, our arms up, length tall. Exhale, hands to heart center. So that's a good way to just start your day, going all the way from your feet and your roots all the way to the crown of your head, just beginning to tune into your body, making it feel good as you start your day. Thank you so much.